Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make typing effect in PowerPoint. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. To make the typing effect, we need to enter the text. We can do this in the text cells of ordinary slides, for example when creating new slides. Alternatively, we can add text using the text box in the Insert tab. Okay, that's all clear, and now let's add a typing effect. Select the text and go to the Animations tab. Next, select the Appear animation. The number 1 means that the animation has been applied to the selected text. By default, this animation shows all the text at once, but we need a letter-by-letter appearance. Therefore, we click the Animation pane button and a tab with all animations open on the right. And since there is only one animation in our presentation, click on the arrow to the right of the first animation and select Effect Options. In the window that opens, we need the Animate Text field, in which we select the appearance by letter. Additionally, we can adjust the delay in the appearance of letters a little faster or vice versa a little slower. In any case, click OK and then F5 to check. As you can see, the typing effect has been added. And that's it. Now in Ultima.